How to use Google Maps offline. In this video, we will see how can we easily use the offline feature of Google Map to go any place without internet connection. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly click on the icon of your profile and go to offline maps. There you will get the option to select your own map and then you will be directed to map with a box within which you can choose the place or the area on the map which you want to make it available offline. As you zoom in or zoom out, the storage of the map which is being saved changes. Select the particular area which you want to save and click on download. After that, that particular map will be saved and be available for you offline. So that's it. That is how you can use Google Maps offline. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.